Okay, so this has been a long time coming. Here's my unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've been filming with my iPhone 6 since it was released, and it's really been a workhorse, guys. I filmed, probably 500 videos posted on YouTube with that phone, and loved it. But recently it's been glitching, it's been slow. I mean, time has come. So here's my quick unboxing of my new digital studio. All right, so let's get right to it. I love how Apple products come packaged. It's an event to open one. So there's a little tab here. It says pull. Beautiful, guys. Now, one of the reasons I was compelled to buy this particular phone is because of this right here. Now, if you know anything about my channel, you know I do lots of car reviews, and that's the one area where my iPhone fell short in the past, because the angle of the lens was narrow. Really needed a wide angle lens to get in and do interiors well, and this phone has 3 lenses, guys. So one's your standard, one's a super wide, and one I believe is a macro. And it has the ability to film in 4K and all kinds of crazy features. So I decided to go for it. All right, here we go. Look at that, in a beautiful green color. I'm not sure you're seeing that. It's so nice and new, I don't even want to hold it, guys. I just want to look at it. Here's that look at the 3 different lenses. Beautiful. All right, put that aside. As per Apple, they do a great job giving you the information that you need. And I'll have to sift through this later when I set up the phone. Look at this. I got my earbuds, which are always great to have. My charging block and cable. All nice and neat and packaged up. And I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to get in and start using it. I may have to do a series of videos just showing you the difference. But pretty soon, probably today or tomorrow, I will be putting my iPhone 6 out to pasture. I may use it for certain things, but it's been a workhorse. But I'm really excited about this new 11. Now, another thing I'm really excited about, guys, to protect my iPhone 11. If you know anything about me, you know I'm a sucker for marketing, and I love camo. So there's a company that's doing a lot of marketing, a lot of Instagram marketing. It's called Urban Armor Gear, and they just so happen to have a camo protective case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I picked this up, guys. I'll leave links below for both the new phone and this snazzy camo case. But let's unbox this too, so you get 2 for the price of 1 here. All right, look at this, guys. Beautiful camo. Nice stiff case with bumper protection. Very nice. So this will go on my new iPhone, and I can't wait to get started. Alright, so the new phone's all set up. This is going to be a quick follow-up. Encased in my new camo case. Little bit more heft to this than the original, the 6 that I had. Definitely have to learn how to navigate the phone. And hopefully soon I'll be giving you guys some crisp new video content with my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm excited. All right, guys, keep pushing play. So I'm sitting here, I'll give you guys a gander at my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. With the wide angle, now I'll be able to do much better job filming interiors. And I can switch quickly between the lenses, which is pretty cool. Still sitting in the award-winning interior of my Jeep Renegade, guys. Snap into that trim there. This is an example of my old phone with the standard video lens. With the super wide angle lens on my new iPhone 11 Pro Max, it just gives me much better ability to show you the interiors of cars, and I'm real stoked about that, guys. So far, I'm really loving this phone. It's a little bit heavier than the 6 Plus I used to own for so many years. I haven't done any reading, and I haven't played with any of the settings. And I don't have my loopy case yet, but I'm feeling no pain right now. The image looks good. Can't wait to get this on the rack and see how the audio levels sound. All right, waiting on the mysterious event that's happening at Smithtown Ford today.